As fellow homeowners, we know your roof can represent a significant and important home investment that deserves only the best. Thanks for considering an Owens Corning roofing system. The combination of the Owens Corning brand and the Platinum Preferred contractor you're working with can deliver a material difference for your home and peace of mind for your family. Our network represents an exclusive group of top roofers, each of whom meet our strict eligibility requirements. We're proud of the products we make and the professionals who install them. And when your neighbors, friends, and family see a brand new roof on your home, we want you to be proud too.
Hi, I'm Jared Rash, president of Metro Construction, based in Denver, Colorado. For more than 11 years, we offer residential and commercial roofing, attic insulation, solar, windows, gutters, and siding products. As an Owens Corning Roofing Platinum Preferred contractor, we're proud of our status and the brand we help represent. We believe that choosing the right contractor is as important as choosing the right shingle. At Metro Construction, we take pride in delivering a great customer experience in every home or business that we touch. With over 15,000 plus customers and an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau, we treat every customer, big or small, the exact same way. We offer free roofing inspections, energy and solar consultations, and free estimates on all products that we offer. Metro uses state-of-the-art technology for all our roofing, solar, siding, and attic measurements, ensuring you will get the most accurate estimate, giving you confidence we are delivering you the best possible price. We offer 12 and 18 months, no payment, no interest financing, along with many long-term financing options to ensure we can help meet all your financing needs. Visit us at mymetroconstruction.com